One of the best way to earn as an Amazon influencer is getting your videos featured in the product carousel. And Viral View helps you do exactly that. The carousel is where shoppers make buying decisions. If your video is there, you get more views, more clicks, and more commissions. But most influencers don't even know if their videos are showing. Viral View tracks all influencer videos and show you when they're in the carousel and when they drop out. It even notifies you so you can take action, whether that's refreshing your content or targeting another product. This insight helps you focus your time on videos that are actually earning instead of wasting energy on content that doesn't perform. If you want to land more carousel spots and increase your Amazon influencer earnings, click the link in the description and try Viral View today.